Hi there. Are you new here?
Yes, I just joined this week.
Oh, that's great. I'm John. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, John. I am Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. Which class are you in?
I'm in class 9. How about you?
Same here. I'm also in class 9, section B.
Wow, I'm in section A.
That's cool. Where are you from, Alex?
I'm from Greenfield City. And you?
I'm from Riverdale. So, how are you finding the school so far?
It's really nice. The teachers are friendly, and I've made a few friends already.
That's awesome. If you need any help, feel free to ask me.
Thank you so much, John. You are very kind.
No problem, Alex. See you around.
See you.